My name is Christian Aguirre. I'm an officer with Nags Head Police Department. We offer the ride-along program for the community member to kind of step into our world on a day-to-day basis. We meet them here at the department, we get to know them. We let them know some safety rules, staying in the car if we're on a car stop. And it allows them to sit with us, get to know us, see what we do for our shift. It gives them a perspective of our police world.
I agreed to go on a ride-along because you learn a lot about what the police officers do. And you're exposed to a lot more information than, than what you would think about. The interface with the 911 center, the different calls that are going on while you're riding around. Even though you're not affected, you're listening to what everybody else is doing. So it's just kind of a good experience to realize the difficulty that these officers have when they're out there on patrol.
It allows them to come in and see what we do for our shifts. It allows them to see what the police department does for them as a community, protecting lives and property, conducting traffic enforcement, investigations, answering calls for service. It allows them to see what we do as an emergency response department, to come in and see that kind of public service to them.
It's always interesting from my perspective to kind of find out what's going on in Nags Head, and who better knows than the guys that are out there every day on patrol. But I also want to understand, just from the law enforcement perspective, what they have to deal with, what they do in certain situations.
Well, if you want to do a ride-along, you have to come to the department and fill out a ride-along request form. And if you meet the requirements that the department has in place, then anyone can ride as long as you're capable to meet those requirements.